Mix base coat according to product directions. If a drainage strip was used, you must complete the back wrapping at all terminations. When using Panzer 15 or 20 high-impact mesh, install it first. The base coat should be applied at approximately 1/8 of an inch. Allow high-impact layer to cure a minimum of 24 hours prior to installing the standard mesh. When high-impact mesh is not utilized, apply the base coat mixture with a stainless steel trowel on the entire surface. Using a stainless steel trowel, apply the base coat mixture on the entire surface of the installation board to an area slightly larger than the width and length of a piece of reinforcing mesh. Immediately place the reinforcing mesh against the wet base coat mixture. Trowel from the center to the edges, avoiding wrinkles, until the mesh is fully embedded and not visible. Allow the base coat mixture to take up until firm to the touch. Trowel the second tight coat of base coat over the first coat.